Did you know that by 2025, it's estimated that AI will manage over $100 trillion in assets worldwide? That's a huge game changer for personal finance. The thought of AI-driven personal finance can be both exciting and intimidating. On one hand, it offers the promise of streamlined financial planning, increased efficiency, and improved investment returns. On the other hand, it raises concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and the complexity of new technologies. As we step into this new era of AI-driven personal finance, it's essential to understand the implications it will have on our daily lives. From budgeting to investment, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. But before we dive into the benefits, let's set the stage for this new reality. The future of personal finance is arriving faster than we think, and it's crucial we're prepared to adapt. In this video, we'll explore the challenges and opportunities presented by AI in personal finance, and what it means for the average consumer. People are often skeptical about adopting new technologies, especially when it comes to something as sensitive as their financial data. One of the primary concerns is security. Can AI systems be trusted with our financial information? Another concern is trust. Will AI algorithms make decisions that align with our values and goals? Moreover, the complexity of AI-driven financial tools can be overwhelming. Many people struggle to understand how these systems work, making it difficult for them to make informed decisions about their finances. This lack of understanding can lead to mistrust, causing people to shy away from AI-powered financial tools. There's also the issue of job displacement. Will AI replace human financial advisors, or will it augment their capabilities? The uncertainty surrounding the impact of AI on employment in the financial sector is a significant concern for many. In addition, the rise of AI-driven financial tools has led to a surge in availability, making it challenging for consumers to choose the right solution for their needs. With so many options, it's difficult to separate the signal from the noise. Furthermore, the bias in AI algorithms is a pressing concern. As AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, there's a risk of perpetuating existing biases, which can have serious implications for marginalized communities. Despite these challenges, AI has the potential to democratize access to high-quality financial services, making it more inclusive and equitable. However, it's essential to address these concerns and ensure that AI-driven financial tools are designed with the consumer in mind. One of the most significant advantages of AI-driven financial tools is their ability to provide personalized advice and guidance. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions, enabling them to offer tailored financial plans. Robo-advisors, for instance, have become increasingly popular, offering low-cost, efficient investment management. AI-powered budgeting apps, on the other hand, can help individuals track their expenses and stay on top of their finances. Predictive analytics is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI algorithms can predict market fluctuations, enabling investors to make informed decisions. The benefits of AI-driven financial tools are undeniable. They offer speed, efficiency, and accuracy, making it possible for individuals to manage their finances more effectively. However, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. Over-reliance on AI systems can lead to a lack of understanding of personal finance, making individuals more vulnerable to financial shocks. Moreover, AI algorithms can be flawed, leading to biased or incorrect decisions. It's essential to ensure that AI-driven financial tools are transparent, accountable, and regularly audited to prevent such scenarios. The use of AI in personal finance also raises important ethical questions. For instance, should AI systems prioritize profits over people, or should they be designed to prioritize social welfare? The intersection of AI and personal finance is still largely uncharted territory. As we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial to prioritize transparency, accountability, and social responsibility. Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old marketing professional who was struggling to make ends meet. She had high-interest debt, a meager savings account, and no clear financial plan. That was until she discovered an AI-powered budgeting app that helped her track her expenses, create a budget, and even invest in a diversified portfolio. Within 6 months, Sarah was able to pay off her debt, build an emergency fund, and start saving for her retirement. The app's AI algorithm provided her with personalized advice and guidance, empowering her to take control of her finances. Sarah's story is just one example of the transformative power of AI in personal finance. By leveraging AI-driven financial tools, individuals can make informed decisions, achieve their financial goals, and build a more secure future. The future of personal finance is undoubtedly linked to AI. As we move forward, it's essential to strike a balance between innovation and responsibility, ensuring that AI-driven financial tools are designed to benefit everyone, not just the privileged few. In conclusion, the rise of AI in personal finance presents both opportunities and challenges. By understanding the implications of AI on our financial lives, we can harness its power to build a more prosperous future. Thanks for watching. If you have any experiences with AI in finance, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our next video on financial literacy and tech innovations.